Hello my friends, welcome back, welcome to Living on the Edge. I hope you all having a wonderful week. Today I want to invite you for a beautiful celebrity summit. We're going to tour today the very unique class of rooms. It's the spa class on board a celebrity. It's called the Aqua class rooms. There's a lot to see. Those rooms were actually renovated back in 2016, so they look very fresh and modern, and I hope you enjoyed it. So without keeping you waiting, let's take a look around this beautiful room.
Okay, my friends, so let's of course begin with the entrance to this beautiful room, and I'll show you where we are located. This room is located on deck number 9, and it's going to be 9140, and we are located quite at the back of the ship, so it's 9140 right where this red dot is. Now the Aqua class rooms are a little bit upgraded, so let me show how it looks like once you enter your room. From my understanding, those rooms were upgraded back in 2016. The ship was built in 2001, and 2016 those rooms were actually fully upgraded. So let's see how it looks. First of all, when you enter, you have your thermostat over here, and I of course like to set it for the very cold option, so it's right there. We have our king-size bed right here. You have a nightstand right next to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but between the bed and the nightstand there is a plug on the floor, but it is actually a European plug, so I do recommend to bring a converter from European to US if you need that. Next to that nightstand you have two controllers. One would be to the volume of the announcements, and another would be to the light of this hanging light above your nightstand. You have of course this very nice feature of this, I would say, decorative light behind the bed. So what I'm referring to is this light next to the wall. And of course your bed, as I said, is set into a king size. You have your TV right in front of it. And if we keep towards this area, we have additional nightstand. This one has a little bit different kind of light next to it. And there are some built-in electric plugs for your charging. So we have two US and two USB right here. This armchair is what I would call 1.5 size. So it's a little bit wider than your normal armchair, but it's not as quite wide as your sofa. I would say it's comfortable enough, of course, to chill. I wish personally it would be slightly wider, especially when you do have this place here and the room for that. But still, it really keeps the aesthetic design of it very nice to this room. Across from the armchair, you have your, I think it's a combination of a desk, vanity area, with of course your pre-light mirror. And on the side of this table, we can find 4 drawers to store your personal items. Of course, next to the mirror you would have 2 US outlets, 1 European, and additional 2 USB outlets as well. The Aqua rooms comes equipped with some extras, and this would be one of them. It's actually binoculars over here. So if we open this, they're right here for you. And I like how they're pre-packed, even though I'm sure they've been used before. But hopefully they were cleaned and sanitized, and they're here for you to use. You of course have your, as I mentioned before, the pre-lit mirror, some welcome letters over here. Let me take you of course around this angle so you can see the whole aspect of the room. Now when you enter initially, you have quite a few storage options here. A little bit different design from what I'm used from in different rooms. You first of all would have this door, which actually will be keeping your fridge behind it. And in your fridge, you have quite a few options here. And on Celebrity, all those items are actually extra for purchase. Everything but this one bottle of sparkling that was actually provided for us with the Aqua room. And next to it, you will find 2 bottles of water which being replenished daily for the Aqua rooms. Those additional 2 waters on the back are actually for extra charge. You have 4 drawers underneath for storage and some additional shelving storage over here. This is very cute because you can kind of store here stuff that you would like to see through. So maybe perhaps if you are traveling and buying souvenirs and you would like to display them for yourself during your trip, this is exactly where I would put them. You have your safe. It is not big enough for a laptop. However, it's big enough, of course, for any personal items such as passport, jewelry, stuff like that. This would be your bucket of ice that you can ask your room attendant to replenish. And in the closet, let's see what we get. So first of all, on this side, when we open it, we have quite generous hanging space. Being a Aqua class rooms, you get 2 pairs of slippers over here. You have a beach bag that you get here, 2 umbrellas, some shelving underneath, and right next to it we have additional space with hanging space. We have 2 bathrobes, of course, here that you get again with a Aqua class rooms, and we have 2 of those. Those are actually your yoga mats. So if this is something you would like to experience or do during your cruise, you definitely have the equipment for that. Right next to it you have your full length mirror so you can get ready for all your fancy nights. Now, when we saw all our storage options, let's take a look at our bathroom and see how that looks like. And the door will be right next to the entrance. So let's see how it looks from here. The bathrooms were renovated again back in 2016. It looks like sort of something that looks like marble. It's not a real marble, but it still has the look to it. You have your upgraded amenities for the Aqua class, and I think, if I'm not wrong, those would be the same ones for, of course, the concierge rooms. And I might mispronounce it, but I think it's the Bigelow. So you have your bar of soap, you have body lotion, shower cup, and you do have your walk-in closet. Your walk-in shower. Closet, shower, same thing. But yeah, you have your shower over here. I do appreciate that. On the floor, there's actually additional light, if you see there, with your hair dryer there as well. But this light would be very, very convenient at night if you don't want to, turn on the lights and still have some light for safety. So yeah, this is your bathroom. You do have 4 hangers right here on the door. And again, this is your look, your general vibe of the room. I find it very, very calming, feels a little bit more upscaled. Very nice job. Now, of course, last but never the least, let's take a look at the balcony. And this balcony, excuse me, it's a little bit different for all the Aqua class, because this one, despite being on deck number 9, it doesn't have the extended ceiling, and for that reason you have a little bit more light in your room. So you would have your chair on one side. It's actually a reclining chair, so you can decide how reclined you want it to be, so you can enjoy your outdoor space. You have a coffee table and additional recliner on this side. And this would be your view in Miami.
Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. The room is beautiful. I can't wait for the next 5 nights on this beautiful ship. She's remodeled. She has still the vibe of the old class ships, but with a lot of modern features, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So until next time, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and anything you would like to say is more than welcome. Thank you for being here, and until next time, I'm your Haj.